Hey YouTube, it's Valerie with another video. So in my last video, we took a trip back to the 1950s, 60s Hollywood. And we did that by experimenting with some eye makeup. And I'm still wearing the eye makeup right now. In this video, we're gonna be in the same time frame, 1960s, except we're gonna get on a plane and go from Hollywood to London. And we're gonna be doing that by way of more makeup. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try Twiggy. Remember the famous model from like the 1960s in London? So I don't know how much you know about Twiggy the model, but one thing that scouts noticed about her was her dramatic eye makeup. And they noticed how when they saw her in the clubs in London and like in the club scene, that she took an eye pencil and she literally drew on bottom eyelashes in the most dramatic way. So you know the famous Twiggy eyelashes at the bottom? She actually drew those on. She invented that way of doing eye makeup when she was only 16. And they saw her eye makeup, they said she's the next face of fashion. So I figured why not try it? We tried a unibrow, we tried this dramatic eye makeup, so now I can't wait to try the Twiggy trick. The Twiggy trick. So what I'm going to be using is a black eye pencil. It's a very soft pencil and it's all I have for right now. I think to do it properly, I would want to use a very hard eye pencil or even liquid liner, but it's gonna have to be okay for now. So I don't really know how she did it, so I'm gonna be just kind of guessing how she did it. But so bear with me again, I have never done this. I'm gonna be trying it for the first time. I don't know, but I think for, I don't know, a dress up, like a, what do you call it, masquerade party? This wouldn't be bad. Let me add some lips. This is a great time to break out my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip collection. So let me see, red, pink. Hey guys, I think I need some accessories to really make this pop. Some accessories. Yeah, so I have the complete look. To really get a good idea, let's count to 3 and see what it looks like fully done, right? Total package, right? 1, 2, and... So what do you think, guys? Dramatic? I'm feeling like an 80s queen. Yay or nay? Am I ready for Valentine's Day or, I don't know, maybe a night out at the club? Woo! So what do you guys think? Be honest. Do you like it? Yay? Nay? Well, anyways, it was fun, wasn't it? As always, guys, leave your feedback, comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.